This issue of job placement is an interactive network that consists of many stakeholders, both internal and external. And what we need to understand that it is subject to the external environment. So this made it much easier now for us to understand as to why we had to have some kind of basis and knowledge on the legislation that we find in our individual countries. We spoke about professional integration as a process in TVET, and so I thought of harmonization, where different actors and partners come together in a harmonious way so as to push forward the agenda of professional integration. And then the word phase also stuck out to me. This whole thing of professional integration is basically occurring in phases, and it occurs strategically over time. And last but not least is the word professional, meaning both as a qualified trainee who has got both the skills as well as other additional complementary skills to make them be a composite and fully rounded person that can actually be called a professional. All of the different four components communicate with each other and they interact with each other very much lively, so they don't occur in isolation, but they do work together for the greater good. In terms of the insertion tool that we were training, what did we achieve? We managed to adapt and tailor a professional integration tool into something that works for us as Don Bosco. We were able to reflect on our differences and also on our similarities and what defines us as Don Bosco in Africa, and to help us rethink properly what it means to be involved in TVET. What are the takeaways that I got from this tool? This is an integration tool. That is the main important thing that I got, is integration, and that the development of the tool requires patience as well as focus, and of course we need to have the goal in mind. What will be the impact? Involves acceleration, effectiveness, efficiency, collaboration, and overall socio-economic transformation within our communities.
We have come to the end of the training, and it's a training that I believe that it has empowered you. So in that case, I would like to express on behalf of DB Tech to extend our heartfelt thanks to La Francophonie for accepting us to participate and to be members in the implementation of this system. I have listened to the commitment, the competencies that you have in the system, and more than that, the love that you have for the African youth to be given an opportunity to participate in the development of this continent. Because it's through skills that they are going to be able to air their voice out. So thank you very much for being part of this great mission, and we are looking forward to how we are going to be able to work with you on that. To you, my participants and team members of DB Tech, DB Tech belongs to you, isn't it? So we really feel that you form a very critical component in our value chain system. And without you, we don't have the roots. We express our thanks to you for taking this responsibility, coming in, and then accepting to be formed in this. And we are looking forward for you improving whatever you are doing for the betterment of our young people in Africa. So I will really encourage you that the implementation plan that the action plan you have come up with, you go and start practicing, you will be refreshing your memory, and when you see the results, then you will become more motivated and you will be able to do it far better. I finish with this element of the importance of data. We want that the decisions that we are taking are backed by credible data. So the tool that we have been given by La Francophonie, it is the tool that can really be able to support us in that area of having evidence-based approaches. And I really encourage each and every one of us here. That data, that when we get it, there is a lot that we can be able to do with that data. A lot. And this will all depend on the quality of that data. Don't think of your center. DB Tech is helping you to look at Africa. DB Tech is helping you to look at the world. We are speaking about migration, isn't it? We have now young people moving from Africa, going to Middle East, going to Europe, or going to America. If we don't give them the skills that they need, and we allow them to migrate without the skills, we are taking away their human dignity. But if we equip them with the required skills, with the required knowledge, whenever they move out of their own area, they go with the skills, and that enhances their dignity on the other side. And they are given the respect that they deserve. So look at what you are doing from that perspective, that you are contributing towards enhancing or restoring the dignity of the young people. And that should be your motivation. If you do that, then definitely we are the change agents that are supposed to make a difference for the African youth.